Good morning. How can I help you today? Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Miller at 10 a.m. Sure. May I have your name, please? Yes, my name is Sarah Thompson. Thank you, Sarah. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. Thank you very much.
Sarah Thompson, the doctor is ready for you. Please follow me.
Okay, thank you.
How are you feeling today, Sarah?
Not so great. I've been having headaches for the past few days.
I see. Let's get a few vitals first. Please step on the scale. Your weight is 135 pounds. Now, let's check your blood pressure.
All right.
It's 120/75. That's within the normal range. The doctor will be in shortly.
Thanks.
Good morning, Sarah. I'm Dr. Miller. How are you doing today?
Hi, doctor. I've been having these bad headaches for about a week now.
I see. Are they constant or do they come and go?
They come and go, but they were getting stronger lately.
Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or throbbing?
It's more like a throbbing pain, mostly on one side of my head.
Do you experience nausea or sensitivity to light when it happens?
Yes, actually. The light really bothers me and sometimes I feel dizzy.
All right. Have you taken any medication for it so far?
Just over-the-counter painkillers, but they don't seem to help much.
Okay. And how often do you take them?
Usually once or twice a day when it gets bad.
I understand. Do you remember when the headaches first started?
Around last Friday. I thought it was just stress from work, but it hasn't gone away.
I see. Are you sleeping well?
Not really. I've been waking up a few times during the night.
That could contribute to the problem. How about your diet? Are you skipping meals or drinking enough water?
I probably don't drink enough water, and I skip breakfast sometimes.
Hydration and nutrition can play a big role in headaches. Do you drink coffee or energy drinks?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning, usually 2 cups.
That's not too bad, but try not to increase it. Too much caffeine can sometimes make headaches worse.
I didn't know that. I'll try to cut back a bit.
Good idea. Now, have you had any recent injuries to your neck or head?
No, nothing like that.
Okay, that's good. From what you've described, it sounds like you might be experiencing migraines.
Oh, I've heard of migraines before. Are they serious?
They're not dangerous, but they can be very uncomfortable. The good news is, we can manage them with proper treatment and lifestyle changes.
That's a relief. What should I do to treat them?
First, I'll prescribe some medication that can help prevent and reduce the severity of your headaches. I'll also recommend keeping a headache diary. Write down when they occur, how long they last, what you were doing before they started, and what you ate that day.
That sounds helpful. Will I need to make any big changes to my daily routine?
Not necessarily, but it will help to stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and try to eat regularly. Also, reduce stress as much as you can. Do you spend a lot of time in front of a computer screen?
Yes, almost all day. I work in an office.
Try taking short breaks every hour and look away from the screen for a few minutes. That can really help.
Okay, I'll do that. How long will it take before I start feeling better?
You should notice improvement within a few days. But if the headaches don't get better or become worse, come back and see me right away.
All right, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. I'll send the prescription to your pharmacy. You can pick it up later today.
Great, thank you so much.
The doctor has sent your prescription electronically. Do you have any other questions before you leave?
No, I think I understand everything. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Sarah. Take care of yourself and don't forget to drink more water.
I won't. Thanks again. Hi, Sarah. You're all set. Would you like to schedule a follow-up appointment? Yes, I think the doctor mentioned a follow-up in 2 weeks. Sure thing. How does Thursday the 18th at 10 a.m. sound? That works for me. Perfect. You're all scheduled. Have a great day. Thank you, you too.